Alright, time for a burp. Makes perfect with a little bottle of ocean spray. Yes, you know I got Mr. San Francisco Alex here.
Hey, T-Bird Matt.
Yep, that's my name. You're gonna know as my YouTube channel name. I don't know how long it's gonna take to kick this belch in. That was a good one. Alex got one.
No, I didn't.
Never mind. I'm right up here in the 300 building. And to my right was basically my left, and it's the right from the camera, but there's a bunch of chicks over there, and one of them is actually my girlfriend. She cracks me up a lot. Later, like, comment, and subscribe. And check out Alex's channel, San Francisco Giants Alex.
I got the Flagstaff shirt on. I got that from Flagstaff.
Yep. He likes Flagstaff. Later.